here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro, and let me show you how to activate camera voice control at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here in capture settings category we can find audio control option, so let's pick it to get access to the button from the right where we can turn it on and off as we need. When we have it turned on, we should be able to take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords, and now we have to pick between two options: say cheese to take photos or speak loudly to take photos. So you can stay on whatever you need. Let me try to use say cheese to take photos, so let's move back to the camera now, and let me try to take a picture by saying cheese. And as you can see, the photo was taken, so it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.